Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Nadia Kansel Gafika, and in this video, I want to tell you about the novel called Hollywood Kids by Jackie Collins. This story follows several people whose lives slowly become connected through mystery, crime, and personal problems. And the story begins with a man named Michael. He is very worried because his daughter Bella suddenly disappears. Michael cannot stay calm after that. Every day he keeps searching for her daughter Bella and asking people questions and then following clues and moving from one place to another. Even when he looks exhausted and confused, he refuses to stop because Bella means everything to him. Sometimes people try to help. Even his friend Quincy tries to help him, but most of the time he only finds dead ends and false information. And still, he continues searching because he believes he must find the truth about what happened to his daughter. At the same time, another character named Kennedy is introduced. Kennedy works as a journalist. One day, she hears news about a woman who was found dead. At first, the case seems normal, but later, she discovers another murder that looks very similar. This makes her curious because the victims and situations seem connected somehow. And Kennedy starts reading the reports carefully and comparing details from each case. She believes there is something bigger happening behind the murders. And one day, Kennedy decides to speak directly with a detective to ask questions about the investigation. However, the detective doesn't take her seriously. He gives short answers and acts like her questions are unimportant. Kennedy feels annoyed and frustrated, but instead of stopping, she becomes even more determined, becomes more curious, and she continues investigating by herself and slowly begins connecting the clues one by one. Meanwhile, in Hollywood, there is a young woman named Jordana. She works in a casting office and is already familiar with the movie industry because her father, Jordan Levitt, is an important Hollywood producer. And one day, something unexpected happens when she is suddenly asked to read a script with an actor. At first, of course, Jordana feels very nervous because she never believed she was talented at acting. But as she starts reading the script, the room becomes quiet and people begin paying attention to her and to her performance. When she finishes read the script, someone tells her and says, "You are so good." That moment surprises Jordana because she never imagined acting could become part of her future. For the first time, she begins thinking differently about herself and her abilities. However, her personal life is not going well. Jordana is in a relationship with a man named Charlie, but Charlie often behaves carelessly and ignores her feelings. One night, Jordana comes home and sees Charlie spending time with other people, with other women, while laughing and acting like she is not important. She feels uncomfortable and disappointed, but she stays silent. Later, she sees Charlie again with his ex-girlfriend, and this time she realizes that nothing is really changing in their relationship. Instead of arguing, Jordana quietly walks away and starts thinking more seriously about her future and her happiness. As time passes, Michael continues searching for Bella, although he looks more tired and hopeless every day. Kennedy also becomes more serious about solving the murder cases. She carefully studies every victim and finally realizes that all the murders are connected. The killer is not acting randomly. He is someone with a dark past who hates women because he believes women always betray people. At the same time, Michael finally gets closer to the truth about Bella, his daughter. Sorry. After searching everywhere and meeting many different people, he finally learns what really happened. But the truth completely breaks him. Bella is already gone. Bella is already dead. When Michael hears this, he cannot believe it. He stands there silently and says softly, "I was too late." In that moment, all his hope disappears because he realizes that he can no longer save his daughter. Near the end of the story, Kennedy finally proves that her investigation was correct and that all the murder cases were connected. And Jordana also changes her life by focusing more on herself instead of staying in an unhealthy relationship with Charlie. And Michael, even though he is deeply hurt, slowly accepts the painful truth about Bella. And in the end, all of the characters' stories become connected through one big mystery and tragedy. Even though the ending is emotional and not completely happy, each character learns something important about truth, loss, and moving forward with life. Thank you for listening and thank you for watching. Bye bye everyone.